I'm Sarah. I'm the managing editor at Apartment Therapy, and we're here today in Dumbo, Brooklyn at Etsy headquarters. And I'm joined by my friend and Etsy trend expert, Dayna Isom Johnson, who's going to give us a tour of the place.
I am so excited to show you guys all around our Brooklyn headquarters today. Let me take you guys in and show you around.
Yay!
All right. As you enter the building, you will come up these incredible stairs, but they are not just any set of stairs. Each piece of wood was used from the old water tower of this building. And then if you look behind me, there are these wonderful looms. Each person that starts at Etsy, we have a craft that gets you started on your first day, and you are able to make whatever inspires you, and then we hang it on the wall as you start. This is our gallery space. Within the gallery space, we wanted to make sure that we incorporated not only all of the amazing things that our seller community creates, but all of the trends that emerge from these incredible makers. This is Mr. Grit. Mr. Grit is our office mascot here at Etsy. He was a present from an incredible artist a very long time ago, and he's been around with us since day one. And beside the grits, we have our bike room. Our bike room holds 92 bikes in addition to the 12 spots we have on the first floor. It's all about encouraging our employees to reduce their carbon footprint and also become active. Welcome to our Etsy Labs. The Labs is a place where we encourage all of our employees to take some time away from their desk and get creative. So whether you want to interact in our dry labs that's filled with beads and sewing machines and yarn, or you want to get crafty in the wet labs that has screen printing, or even try out your skills in 3D printing, we have it all here to encourage creativity. This is one of our working floors, and as you can see, we have an open working space to really encourage employees to either stand or sit or find somewhere to lounge and work together. And also, we are dog friendly. We encourage our employees to personalize their space in whatever way they want, and many times that means including items from the Etsy marketplace. This is our living wall, one of many that we have around the office. What's really cool is that to water these beautiful babies here, we collect rainwater from the roof and then put it back into the plants.
Thank you so much, Dayna, for having us on this tour.
Of course, and it would not be in true Etsy fashion without taking a picture in our legendary photo booth.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Let's do this.